it's literally almost like 5 a.m. in the morning, and it's like 4:40 something in the morning. But like, look at this. Look at my lights. My lights are so slick. Hi, Hachi. Good morning. Good morning, Hachi. Wait, for somewhat, you look kind of different. Oh, I'm Hachi's sister, identical twin. She's not my sister. Don't listen to her. I'm your sister, right? No, do not listen to these two girls. These two girls are just freaks. Well, at least you three can get along. We're not freaks. We're your twins. Yeah, we are your twin sisters. No, you're not. Your girls are the strangers. You. I understand that you three have different minds and you are thinking opposite of each other. But I think you three should just get along and have friends. And also, can you please apologize for calling these two girls freaks and strangers? I don't think they like that. Okay, I'm sorry. It's okay. I mean, these girls are so cute. We are? Yeah. Aww.